Hey you guys, God bless all of you. I hope you guys are getting along through this scourge that's going across the land right now. I hope you guys are doing well. None of you are sick, but if you are, I'll be praying for you that the Lord deliver you from this scourge. Guys, in this video right here, I'm going to make a fireplace poker right here, and we can't go nowhere in Virginia right now. We're not supposed to. So I've got this blacksmith shop, so I thought I'd do a little video about how to make a fireplace poker. I've probably done one before, but it's something simple and easy to do, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. My old forge here is so loud and noisy, it makes a lot of noise while I'm trying to video stuff. So a lot of this you'll just see me doing some hammering right here, and then we'll take a look at it and discuss it after. Alright guys, there's the what the major part of the poker is going to look like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a spur separate from the poker, and I'm going to weld this spur onto the poker. Guys, what you saw me doing right there is I'm taking that forging scale off of that piece of metal right there so that the forge weld will take. If you don't take that scale off of it, you'll have a problem getting that forge weld to take. To just hold in the fire and get the thing out of there and get it straight on your poker. What you want to do is you want to line this part of your poker up with that end of that spur down there, so that when you're pulling your wood out of the fire, you're holding it this direction and not this direction. Okay guys, once again, while that fire's heating up again, make sure you take your grinder or your file or something, clean all of your surfaces again right here so you can get all the scale off of it. If you don't get the scale off of it, guys, this thing probably not going to stick. And I've got it tack welded on there, but that still don't mean that'll stick. If you've got any type of trash or anything like that, rust, scale, or anything on the inside of that thing right there. And then as we bring it and fold it around just a little bit on the weld, we want that to be just one good solid forge weld. As I showed you this before, but I'll show it to you again. You see that piece of metal right there? I'm going to preheat that piece of metal and lay it over on this cold anvil so that when I bring the piece out of the fire, it will stay at the welding heat longer than it would if I would just slap it down on that cold anvil. Alright guys, not very violent when you're doing little bitty welds like this right here. If you do it very violently on the first one, You'll blow your weld completely out. You'll blow your molten metal out the sides of your weld and it won't stick. Just needs a little bit of sharpening, you guys. What do you think? Pretty nice looking poker. Hey guys, that's the way you make a fireplace poker and weld on your spur. Thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless you. Have a great day.